In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Instagram feed to your Squarespace website. This will allow you to seamlessly integrate your social media content into your web pages, giving your visitors a dynamic and visually appealing glimpse of your latest posts. To start, navigate to the section of your Squarespace site where you'd like to display your Instagram feed. Take a moment to envision how this addition will enhance the look and feel of your page, considering how it might complement your overall design. Next, hover your mouse over this section. By doing so, you'll notice an option to add a new block, which is exactly what we need. Clicking on Block opens up a world of possibilities for your site's content. Here, you'll want to scroll through until you find Instagram. The options might be numerous, but don't worry. They're all well categorized, so you can easily locate what you're looking for. Once you see the Instagram option, give it a click. Having done that, it will then be time to connect your Instagram account. You'll want to look for the Edit button on this new block you've added. Clicking on this will present you with the option to add an account. Go ahead and select that. After you click OK, a pop-up window will appear, prompting you to log in to your Instagram account. This is where you'll enter your credentials. By logging in, Squarespace links your Instagram feed with your site, allowing it to pull your posts directly onto your web page. Now that you're back at the block, take some time to explore the design tweaking options. This is a critical step in ensuring that your Instagram feed not only fits well within your site, but actually enhances its aesthetic appeal. By clicking on the Design section, you will discover various display formats such as slideshow, carousel, grid, and stacked. Each of these offers a unique way to showcase your photos, so feel free to experiment until you find the one that best suits your site's overall style and your personal taste. Beyond just selecting a style, there are numerous other options available to tweak and refine how the Instagram block appears. From adjusting image spacing to selecting the number of posts to display, these customizations allow you to tailor the feed so it integrates seamlessly yet stylishly into your website. And just like that, you've successfully added your Instagram feed to your Squarespace site. This simple yet powerful addition not only enriches your website but also keeps your audience engaged by connecting them directly with your latest Instagram updates. Whether you're showcasing products, sharing personal moments, or promoting a lifestyle, your Instagram feed is now easily accessible and beautifully presented. Thanks for tuning in, and happy website designing.